Did you know you can clean your Cricut mats? Over time, they can lose their stickiness, but don't throw them out. Simply put some Dawn dish soap on a sponge and work it in with warm water. Then take a scraper and move that dirt, dust, glitter, and scraps right off the mat. This process will work with light grip mats, strong grip mats, as well as standard grip mats. And then lightly dry the excess water off with a paper towel and hang them in the shower to dry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. We are posting new content regularly. Once dry, you can place the clear cover back on. A trick is to use your Cricut Maker to line the cover on the mat perfectly. This process can be repeated as needed to extend the longevity of your mats. I followed this process with my mats and it saved me a lot.